Hi, and welcome back to Sadler Up Nails. I wanted to show you my new decals that I have available on my website and how to apply them. So for this nail, the base coat is this gorgeous light purple called Viola. And I did just do one coat of this purple because the decals I am using are on white decal paper. I offer my decals on both transparent and white, so you have the option when you're purchasing to select white or transparent, whatever you prefer. I personally prefer white decals, however, I do sell more of the transparent. So when applying decals, I like to put down a base coat first because I find base coat is just stickier than the dispersion layer of gel polish. Now you do cure that base coat, make sure you cure it. I like to cure the base coat for a full minute. Usually it just suggests 30 seconds, but I like to do a full minute because I find it gets even stickier. Then you're going to soak that decal in water and let it sit for at least 30 seconds. And you will know the decal is ready when it slides off the backing. And then you're going to just place that onto the nail and press down the center of the nail first and then work on the sides. And after you have that decal on, you're going to file away the excess and make sure you are filing downwards on the nail in order to make sure you don't pull the decal back up off of the nail. Once you have all the excess off, you can then continue to work on pressing out any creases that are in that decal, and I like to use a little silicone tool. Then I like to seal my decals in with another layer of base coat, and you do cure that, of course. And then I come in with a no wipe top coat. Now we are not finished yet. When I'm making press-ons, I like to make sure that those decals are secure. So once I put on this top coat, I then do a buff of the nail to make sure it is nice and smooth, and I don't know, just if you do have any creases, you smooth them out. And then once I have the nail completely buffed, I then come in again with my final top coat. I do prefer to use matte top coat on decals. I just feel like they show up so much nicer details in them when you have a matte top coat versus a shiny. But again, it is definitely your own preference. Do what you like. So once you have that nail buffed, you do want to make sure you clean it off. I use Isypropyl Alcohol 90% or higher. And then once it is cleaned, you come in with your final top coat. I am using all of Madam Glam in this video. And if you follow me, you know that you can use my code BeckyTK40 to get 40% off Madam Glam gel polishes. And when you are doing your final top coat, make sure you seal in all those edges. And then that's it, guys. So easy to use. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and check out the decals on my website. Have an awesome day. Bye.